Good evening. My name is Walid. I'm an English teacher. I love English. English is everything to me. When I wake up in the morning, I make a cup of coffee and read a story in English. I suggest you read a story in the morning. A story gives you a good lesson in life. It makes you deal nicely with people. It teaches you a beautiful lesson about other cultures and nations. You learn about other people's traditions and customs. When you read English or study English or learn English, it will add a new dimension for you to look at other people and deal beautifully with them. English is a necessary language to learn. I do believe that everyone should speak English. This lesson is to urge you and encourage you to learn English. It's a beautiful language. Learn it with me.